Dear students, today we read Lesson 7 The Cat, written by Andrew Barton Patterson. So, you see, it is a very interesting story written by Patterson. Before we start the lesson, at first we know something about the author Andrew Barton Patterson. You see the picture of Andrew Barton Patterson. He was an Australian poet, journalist, and author who wrote extensively on Australian life. So you see that Patterson was mainly an Australian poet and his lifespan was 1864 to 1941. And his notable works also include Waltzing Matilda and The Man from Snowy River. And you know that Patterson is a very lovable of cats. So mainly Patterson loved cats, and that's why he wrote about this type of animals, and we are fortunate to read the lesson The Cat. Now we come to the text. What about the text? The text, The Cat, describes in minute detail the daily activities of cats. So it describes the very short, very little activities of cats in minute detail. This humorous narrative takes us into the world of cats and indicates to us that they may not be the gentle and timid creatures that we take them for. So, through this funny narrative, we come to know the world of cats, their daily activities, and it will also tell us that what we think about cat, that they are only a gentle, timid creature, but actually they are not that type of creatures. So, what are they? When we come through this lesson, we know about in detail. Okay? Now we start Unit 1, Paragraph 1. You all very carefully read the lesson with me. Most people think that the cat is an unintelligent animal, fond of ease and caring little for anything but mice and milk. So what the author says? Most people, that means almost every people, think that the cat is an unintelligent animal. The cat is a dull animal, not intelligent, fond of ease. Fond means liking. Cat likes ease, that means comfort, and caring little for anything but mice and milk. So they don't care anything else except mice and milk. So the cat only cares for mice and milk. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Okay? But a cat has really more character than most human beings and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. But a cat has really more character. You know that, you will be very surprised to know that the cat has more real characteristics than a human beings. As human beings, mainly father, teacher, mother, or various role play in the society, the cat also has different shades of characteristics and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life, and they will get a very satisfied life like the human beings with all of these thoughts, all of their works. They get or they achieve a great satisfaction throughout their life, rather than most of human beings. Okay, this is the first para. Now we come to the second para. He or she is an athlete, an acrobat, and a grim fighter. So you see that the cat may be a male or a female. He or she is an athlete. Athlete means gymnast, an acrobat, Acrobat means one who entertains through difficult physical movements. So, he or she may be an athlete or an acrobat and a grim fighter also. Grim means serious. So, here you see the various roles that a cat played, that is of an athlete or an acrobat or a grim fighter. All day long the cat loafs about the house, takes things easy and allows himself to be pestered by the attentions of the people in the house. All day long, the whole day the cat loafs about. Loafs about means roams about here and there. Throughout the house, the cat roams about, takes things easy. So he or she don't care of anything. She takes the things easy or lightly. There is nothing serious in him or his or her, and allows himself to be pestered Pestered means irritated. So he or she likes to be irritated by the people in the house. So when the people in the house get irritated by the cat, he or maybe she, the cat, enjoyed the whole situation or the whole incidents. To pass the time away, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two just to keep himself from dying of boredom. So what the cat does? Just passing the time in the daytime, he sometimes watches a hole of mouse for an hour or two. So that's why this is only because to keep himself from dying of boredom. So to remove the boredness of the day, a cat watches a mouse hole for an hour or two. People get this idea that this sort of thing is all that holds life for a cat. So generally people think that this type of works, that is to be pestered himself by the people of the house or watching a mouse hole for an hour or two, that is the life of a cat. Generally people gets the idea. But watch him as the shades of evening fall. But if you want to know the real characteristic or real personality of cat, you watch him after the evening. You can see the cat as he really is. So if you watch him after the evening, you can see the real characteristics, real personality of a cat, what he really is. Okay, this is the unit 1. I think you all get it. Thank you.